Well, this poem was written on a little road trip, actually going home from the Dodge Festival back to Chicago, which, if you treat yourself right, is not a one-day drive. So we stayed overnight in Clarion, Pennsylvania. And I have this idea that out in the world there are some people that just exude good vibes. And there was a person like that in Clarion, Pennsylvania. Modigliani and the Good Vibes Waitress at the Triple R Steakhouse in Clarion, Pennsylvania. The waitress is an energetic young college student, obviously smart and outgoing. She takes their orders for beer and steak and brings them with a smile. So busy being herself, she doesn't know how good it is for the rest of us to see such open-faced joy and optimism. Her whole future is out there, and she's going to make it work. She's going to be a teacher, she says, and I can tell she'll be good. Listen, I say, as if I'm telling her an important secret, which I am, because I like her already, and I can tell she'll listen. When you get to those kids, show them Modigliani. The little ones always go for Modigliani. She has no idea what I'm talking about, and I don't blame her. But she's listening. She's still with me. Her curiosity is so transparent. Listen, I say, when you get to class next week, tell your professor, Modigliani. See what he says to that. Tell him you met this guy at the steakhouse who says Modigliani is the man. Show him a couple of pictures when you tell him. It's the long necks and almond eyes. It gets them every time. That and the something else thing that happens when the real and unreal meet. Check it out yourself. You'll see what I mean.